Okay guys, hope you're well. It's the end of the night and I'm just checking through the answers hub, see what's there today. And there's a one popped up and it's actually quite a simple answer. Let me flick it over and we'll have a quick look at this, shall we? Just take these indicators off because it's got nothing to do with the indicators, but it does have something to do with the chart. So let me pull this into shot and we'll have a quick look. Okay. I'm going to answer kind of two in one because Nathan's asking if you can suggest a good demo account. Doesn't matter. The ones that I would use is BlackBull, simply because it's MT5. It has the leverage criteria that you need. And if you are using MT5, it's ideal to cross-pollinate with prop funds. So that bit's relatively easy. But what we're going to look at is this one here from Chilton. So we'll salute to you, new name, that's there. Glad you've enjoyed it since January. Doesn't matter if you don't know a great deal. That's the idea. Get involved and you'll find the answers that you're looking for rather than try to muddle through on your own. Never be afraid. There's never a stupid question. There's just an unknown answer. So that bit's relatively easy. However, what you've got when marking up the charts and putting on fibs, why don't I simply color code the fibs, the same colors for monthly, weekly, dailies, and just leave the fibs on the chart? No. There's a good reason why I do what I do. The colors do represent where they come from, you know, monthlies, weeklies, dailies, etc. What they're for is not to do with strength. It's to do with where I knew where I drew them. So if I draw a daily level on, and I screw up that level when I'm down on a 15-minute chart, in other words, I catch it and I pull it, I can see where I drew it from. So that's one thing. And then I also know it's a daily level. The fibs, however, they are different because I put a fib in dotted lines. And again, the fib comes from the same time frame I drew the level. So if I drew this level on a time frame and marked it in red, the corresponding fib would be the same color. So again, I know where I drew it from. The difference between this and this is the solid is a defined turning point in the market that I can physically see. It's an absolute turning point and it's been tested in the past. A fib is hypothetical and is based on a mathematical ratio from a high and a low that I can see on that time frame, and they do change because the waves change. So yes, monthly, weeklies, dailies, the levels don't change, and it is force of habit that I do it week to week, but it also helps me read and understand a chart, because when I'm coming to the chart and I'm looking at a level, I've got a good memory as to why that was there. Was it a clean turn? You know, solid spin? Was it a multiple touch? That sort of thing. And then the fib backs that up with the mathematical equation. So there is method in the madness as to why I do it. But as like most things in trading, we all find our own way and we all have different things of doing it. But what I will say is there are no shortcuts, none whatsoever. The levels I put in get tested pretty much to the pip all the time. And they help keep my accuracy up, as long as I can then look at something like, say, a 3-click, get my direction relatively right, and then I'm working from zone to zone. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.